Okay, everybody loves an Italian sub, at least everybody that I know. So what we've got here, we've got some pepperoni, we've got some salami, we've got some bologna because I couldn't find any mortadella. I was at the grocery store late last night, so that's gonna kind of be our fake mortadella. We've got some ham, we got some fresh mozzarella, and then we're gonna throw some. We're gonna do this a little. We're gonna heat it up. So we're gonna just go ahead and just cut this here. Not the greatest knife to do this with, but that's what I've got out. All right, so we're going with our fresh mozz. And then do some ham. Y'all, this is gonna be a monster sub. I mean, this is, we don't do anything small around here, so. All right, we've got our bologna here. I'm just gonna cut it, break it into here. All right, some salami. And what I'm gonna do here is, I'm just gonna create a way to kind of cook some of this fat off of these. So I'm gonna put the salami over here. I'm gonna put my pepperoni on top of the mozzarella. We should get a little bit of that oil and grease out. All right, let's get it in the oven. Or if you've got an air fryer, it's a little quicker. All right, here we go. I love shredded lettuce for this. You know, it's gonna be messy. We know that going into it. All right, we got some tomatoes. And you know, don't forget the salami and pepperoni, that has a lot of salt in it. So I hesitate to even put this on there, but I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. And then we're gonna go pretty heavy with the Godfather. Make it a real Italian and throw a little bit of red wine vinegar on there. I'm gonna go without the olive oil because there's plenty of grease on this already. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, folks. This is gonna be tough. This will be the tough part here for sure. We got one sandwich already handheld, okay? Go ahead and cut this one right here. That's so good. Ain't no Italian sandwich like a Godfather Italian sandwich.